Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you an easy way to make a witch's broom string figure. You will also see a pine needle figure during the process. All you need is a cat's cradle string loop. The link on how to make the loop is in the description box below. Let's get started! First, spread out the string loop. Hook one end of the loop over the thumb and pinky finger of your left hand. Next, pull up the horizontal string and hook it onto your middle finger. Now, put your right hand into the loop. Using your right thumb and pointer finger, pull the strings that are in front of your left ring and pointer fingers. Hook them together with your right pointer finger and pull them down under the loop. Next, pull those strings to the back with your right hand. Make sure 3 of your left fingers are placed in each of the spaces, and then let go with your right hand. Now, pull the string that is in front of your pinky and thumb toward you. And there you go. This is the pine needle shape. From here, slide your right thumb into the space in front of your left thumb and let go with your pointer finger. Then put your right pinky into the space in front of your left pinky and let go with your right pointer finger again. Lastly, catch the bottom string with the back of your right thumb and bring your thumb back down under the string that is in front of your left thumb. Finally, just let go of your right pinky. And here is your easy witch's broom. Let's try it again. So make a loop and hook onto thumb and pinky. And pick up the horizontal string, hook it onto the middle finger. And place your right hand into the big loop, pick up the ring and pointer string and pull under the big loop and bring it to the other side and pick up pinky string and thumb string and pull, and this is pine needle shape. Now from here, put your thumb in there, let the pointer go, and do the same with the pinky. Put the pinky inside, let the pointer go. Now with your back of thumb, go pick up the string and then go under the horizontal string and let go of the pinky string. Oops, I'm stuck here. And this is an easy witch's broom. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know in the comments below if you succeeded or if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching.